How to clean lampshades. Method number 1. Dusting a lampshade. Wipe paper or plastic shades with a microfiber cloth to remove dust. Dust a fabric lampshade using a lint roller. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment on a very dusty fabric shade. Clean a glass lampshade with a feather duster or microfiber cloth. Method number 2. Wiping with a soapy cloth. Unplug the lamp from the wall and take off the shade. Fill a bowl or sink with a warm water and add 1 teaspoon of laundry soap. Add 0.5 c of white vinegar to the water to clean grease stains. Dip a microfiber cloth into the soapy water and wring it out. Wipe the shade down from top to the bottom. Rinse the lampshade under warm water. Leave the shade to air dry on a towel for at least 24 hours. Method number 3. Doing a deep clean. Deep cleaning fabric, plastic or glass lampshade when they are very dirty. Turn off the power switch and remove the shade. Fill a tub with warm water and add 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent. Add 1 cup of white vinegar into the water if the lamp is greasy. Submerge your lampshade and let it soak for 10 minutes. Use your hands to slightly agitate to shade in the water. Rinse out the soapy water using warm running water. Let your lampshade air dry on a clean towel for at least 24 hours.